Good morning children. Welcome to your another English class. But today we will do something in language. And the topic for today is punctuation. Now what is punctuation? See the formal definition first. Punctuation means correct placement of pauses in writing so that the meaning of a sentence can be clearly and correctly understood while speaking or reading it. In other words, we can say punctuation means correct usage of pauses and some punctuation marks which make the meaning of sentence clear to everyone. Now see some example. Let's eat grandma. Let's eat grandma. Can you see any difference in these two sentences, children? Here is a small comma in this sentence, while in this sentence there is no comma. Now see the meaning. Let's eat grandma. This sentence means that somebody is calling grandma for eating, for dinner or for something. And the second sentence means let's eat grandma. This means the speaker is announcing that let's eat grandma as a eatable. So children, you can easily see that the small comma can change the whole meaning of the sentence. I am repeating the meaning again. Let's eat grandma means the speaker is calling grandma for eating. While in the second sentence, the speaker is saying, let's eat grandma today as a dinner or as a eatable. So this is correct sentence. And this is incorrect. Now see the second example. Apple will announce its new iPhone soon. It's a big year for the company. Now second sentence, Apple will announce its new iPhone soon. It's a big year for the company. Now tell me children, can you see any difference in these two sentences? There is a very minute difference between these two sentences. Look at the board children. This is its and this is its. And the difference between this its and this its. Now see, in the first sentence the meaning is that Apple company is soon going to announce its new iPhone, and then it is saying that it is a big year for the company because of the announcement of the new iPhone. Now see the second sentence, Apple will announce its new iPhone soon. It's a big year for the company. See the change in meaning. This is possessive pronoun which shows possession. Announce its new iPhone means iPhone belongs to Apple company. Fine. And now its. This its means this is contraction form of it is or it has. Here we can say it is a big year for the company because of the announcement of the new iPhone. Now see the second sentence, we have exchanged the position of the replace it's with this. Apple will announce its new iPhone. Announce it is new iPhone. This is completely wrong. It's a big year. Company is big year. No. So this sentence, first one is correct. And the second is incorrect. Children, there are many punctuation marks which we will learn and know in this chapter, punctuation. Children, some commonly used punctuation marks are full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, colon, semicolon, quotation mark, sorry children, quotation mark, dash, hyphen, apostrophe, and in the end we will learn about capital letters. Children, capital letters are not punctuation marks, but they are very important for the correct use of punctuation marks, and this is also very important part of punctuation.